Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Journey to Become Wealthy. My name is Kelvin Reed, and today is Monday, Market Monday. Hopefully, today some of y'all make some money. We saw the markets continue to come down, but we may have some good news. We steady seeing that fear index go crazy, but we don't really know. This is just a really volatile market, and we got to make sure we keep our eyes on it. Before I get too far into it, y'all like, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I post videos, right? So y'all see I got my quality back. I'm on my camera. I'm at work. I brought my camera with me, but we'll see how it goes. I'm actually at my desk, so y'all just hang tight, right? So let's check it out. All right, so look at the markets. The Dow is actually flat. The S&P 500 is down 0.74%, and the Nasdaq is down 2.04%. So put options were making bread today. If y'all looked at my charts from last Friday, the S&P 500 kind of did exactly what I said it would do, right? So let's see if I can pull it up. We're gonna pull it up, put it on one screen, and it did exactly what I said it would do this morning, right? So I just want to get you guys a look at it. So today when the market opened, what did I tell you guys it would do? I told you it would go down, it would come up, it was looking like it was gonna rise, and it came back down. So you could have caught a call option all the way to here, and then you saw it coming down. As soon as it showed the first sign of weakness, got a put option and rode it all the way down here, and you could have made bread. I made $200 today on a put option, riding this one back down exactly how we charted it. You're looking at the technical analysis. So and we plan to do that, more of that going forward, right? I'm gonna look at it, we'll kind of talk about it, and we'll see how we can do. Again, I'm facing some difficulties while being at work, but it's okay, right? We're making sure it's our responsibilities to learn how to do these things and learn how to make some money even in this volatile market. Right now, I'm done averaging down. I'm basically building on my portfolio, so I'll be doing options as frequently as possible with the 3-day trade rule in mind. So y'all keep that in mind, right? Be responsible of that. Don't go over your 3-day trades, because they will lock up your account for 90 days. They actually gave me a warning last week, and I had to use my one-time forgiveness. So y'all just make sure y'all keep your eye on it, right? So back to here. In the after hours, things are moving a little bit, but nothing major, right? Nothing major. Our fear index, we looking at it as 16. Last Friday it was a 15. So things kind of eased up. The markets continued to come down, though. There's still entirely too much fear for us to be comfortable and feel like everything is going to be okay going forward. So on top of that, let's not forget, tomorrow the Fed start their speech tomorrow, and on the 16th is when we'll hear word of what they're going to be doing as far as the interest rate hikes. So we got to keep those things in mind going forward as well. Check out our heat map. I know we haven't looked at it in a while, but we know everything's pretty much just been red and hanging out. It looks like today healthcare and financials actually did well, and we assuming financials are doing well due to the interest rate hikes. We know that that's coming, right? We know it's coming. So we assume the financials are doing well due to that. Wells Fargo up 2.87, Bank of America up 2.16, Morgan Stanley and Goldman Sachs are both down, but pretty flat on the day. So the technology sector took a beating. Apple down 2.66%, actually down to its 52-week lows. May consider buying more of this. I know I am. Google down 2.86%, Amazon down 2.52%. These are my blue chip companies. Long-term investments, again, we got to take it slow right now, guys, because we know that these things are constantly going down, and there's no bottom in sight so far. Healthcare looking green. Johnson & Johnson, Pfizer back down to 52, but still okay, pretty hanging out. Energy sector actually came back down. Energy sector came back down because the U.S. is looking at getting oil now from Venezuela. So the pressure that we're getting from Russia may not be so intense and so hard on us. So if we can figure out a way to get oil from Russia, then things may go back to some normalcy. Gas prices may come down, but we can't predict the future, right? We just got to keep our eyes on it and continue to look forward. All right, let's see. So I think that was the news I had for us, right? I saw S&P 500 just hit a death cross. Why it's good news for the stock market. S&P 500 has performed poorly this year. That is now trading at a scarily low level. That usually presents an attractive opportunity for longer-term investors. Long-term investors, buy low, sell high. I know it may be hurting to see these red days, but you got to take advantage, full advantage of these really low discounted prices. Really low discounted prices as far as the way I see it. And then we also have this here. This is the news article. Oil settles lower on reports that the U.S. is looking for an ease sanctions on oil from Venezuela. So we could be looking at oil prices going back down and other prices starting to come back up. Banks, our financials may start to turn around for us. That's what we kind of hoping for going forward. Let's check out crypto, right? So we see Bitcoin sitting at $38,000. Bitcoin, this crypto market has been kind of crazy, right? Crypto has been kind of crazy. We still got to keep our eye on it because, again, unlike the stock market, in my opinion, it has been holding strength. It has been holding strength. So whereas people have lost 20-30% of their account in the stock market, crypto actually hasn't fallen near as far. Crypto is not currently in a bear market, and it's not yet in a winter, actually, in a crypto winter where things don't move. So crypto is becoming even more and more attractive. Even things like Luna up 7%, up $94. Again, it was just $55 2 weeks ago when we looked at it. So almost 100% returns on your money if you invested back then. Bitcoin up 2.43%, Ethereum 0.99, Cardano up 1.14, and these things have been constantly going up. Doge, Shiba Inu is actually down to that 4.21 range. Again, if it hits the 20, I buy more. Doge is down. Crow is down 0.3%. Let's see what our metaverse plays. We have Mana up 1.38%, and we have Sandbox up 0.41%. Again, these cryptos and these NFTs, DeFi, they seem to be holding their value. So we're seeing a lot of people seeing crypto and the different coins becoming even more attractive. So we had to make sure we look into those things and make sure we're preparing ourselves and our portfolio to continue to invest in things like this, different things. Open up your minds, diversify your minds to those things, because there's no one path to wealth, right? And that's our journey, right? Our journey is to become wealthy. So we have to make sure we keep our eyes open, keep our minds open, and we're just trying to figure out ways to make money in here. They put options, and depending on how things go, I'll continue to see how it's going. Depending on how things go, I actually stopped my last video accident, but depending on how things go, I'll continue to watch the market, and tomorrow we can expect to see it. Whether it's a green day, if it's a green day, I'll play calls. If it's a red day, I'll play puts. One thing I keep my eye on, of course, is the SPY, and I've been looking to play Roku and Qualcomm, QCOM. So I'll be giving you guys updates on those and just options, and I'll be trying to figure out ways to teach you guys more about how to do technical analysis in the future. I may be putting some videos out in regards to that soon. Who knows? Again, while I'm here at work, it becomes even more difficult to do that, but I plan to keep working. I plan to make you guys my responsibility and my learning not my responsibility. But I thank you guys for joining the journey to become wealthy. Hopefully y'all enjoyed tonight's video. Y'all have a good night, and I'll see y'all later.